I'm Jill. Welcome to my channel. Make sure you come in and have a look at all my videos and see what you like. I predominantly focus on gardening and art, but I am a gardener, artist, writer and all-round general creative, so who knows what I might upload. But I do try and stick to uploading a couple of gardening and a couple of art videos a week. So I love nature and I love nurturing nature through my garden, and all that inspires me to paint. Without the gardening and the nature and the butterflies and the bees and the caring for Mother Earth, I simply would not have the inspiration to paint in the first place. So I don't feel that I can separate these two things into two separate channels without kind of sort of severing a part of my soul. So if that sounds like something you're interested in or that you have an affinity with, then please subscribe and check out my videos and stick with me as this channel grows. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing if you did. And I hope to hear from you in the comments. I do try to answer all my comments. So I look forward to meeting you. I look forward to you joining my crew. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye.